Place suspension flat on a table. Make sure that the numbers on the buckles at the end of every suspension strap are facing up. Snap buckles onto the headband one by one and twist upward to lock in place. Each buckle has up to 6 settings for your comfort. Choose a lower number for a tight fit or a higher number for a loose fit. Grab the assembled pieces and push clips firmly into the attachment slots at every corner of the helmet. Make sure the pull and twist ratchet system is placed at the back of the hard hat. Your hard hat is now ready to be used.